Hello everyone. Today I'll explain basic operations in relational algebra. These operations like union, intersection, minus and Cartesian product perform most of the data retrieval operations. Relational algebra categorized in various groups such as unary relational operation, relational algebra operation, binary relational operations. Now see how they work. We consider these three tables for further understanding of the concept. First is select star from mem, all the four records are there. Select star from student, four records again are there. Next, select star from sports, four records are there. Clear? Selection operation. Selection operation is used for selecting all the columns according to a given selection condition. We use select command for this. For this operation, we use sigma symbol that denotes it. See the example which will write in the query in MySQL. Display the record of member whose city is UP from student relation. This is the syntax of writing relational algebra, and we'll write SQL query like this: select star from student where city equals to UP. Clear? Next is projection. It is used to display particular column from the table. Pi is the symbol used to denote it. We can take out the particular columns in this. So the example is extract admission number and name from the student relation. This is the given syntax, and the SQL query is select admission number, name from student. Next is union operator. This comes under relational algebra operation. Union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more relation. Relation must have same number of columns. They must be in the same order with similar data types. So see the example. Select star from student means I am referring to that student table which I showed you earlier. Union is the keyword. Select star from member again is the member table which I shown you. So now they are getting joined, and the result is admission number, name, city, phone and age. Because in both the tables the columns are same, only records are different. See, union show the combination of both the records. First the student record and then the member record. See this example also. Table A, table B. Table A has two columns, again table B has two columns. Table A has three records, table B has three records. Now union will going to display all the records present in both the tables, but it will remove the duplicate record and show it only once. Clear? Now intersection. It is used to display the common tuples from both the relations. See the example here. Table A and table B. Table A has two columns and table B has two columns. They are going to display only the related, the intersection values in the answer. Clear? Next is set difference, that is minus. So children, this set difference is used to display only the non-related items from both the tables. Here the example is find all the tuples that are present in books but not in articles. So non-related item is going to display here. Clear? Now example is table A and table B is there, and only non-related item is going to display. Now, Cartesian product. This Cartesian product is helpful to merge columns from two relations. Now just see two tables, student and sport. Select star from student shows 5 records with 5 columns. Select star from sports shows 2 columns and 4 records. Now Cartesian product will give 20 rows and 5 columns in output. So to find total rows in Cartesian product, you have to multiply the rows of two tables, that is 5 into 4 equals to 20. And to find total columns, you have to add columns, that is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Just see the output table. Select star from student, comma sports. This is going to display as the Cartesian product. See total number of tuples, you will count it, you get it 20, and total number of columns is 7. Admission number, name, city, phone, age, admission number and sports. Clear? Now time to do the assessment questions. Question 1. Help Mr. Sajal in identify the wrong statement reference to union clause. So you have to find the wrong statement. This is from CBSE sample paper 2017-18. Question 2. Observe both the tables, student and events, and write the name of the RDBMS operation which will be used to produce the table list. So you have to find which RDBMS operation, union, intersection, minus or Cartesian product. So this is from CBSE question paper 2006. Very important. Now see, question number 3. Observe student and events table, which I shown you previously, and explain whether the intersection operation is possible on it or not. Clear? Question number 4. How set difference and cross product different from each other? State two differences. Clear, children? So this is all about the relational algebra. Thank you.